Hey guys, Butch Newell here with a really cool Father's Day present. I have to tell you, my wife and daughters came through huge this year. And check this out. Wasn't really sure where to open this, but this is as good a place as any. This is the new Yeti Backpack. Check that out. So it's built same material. I think they call this they call it the Panga 28. So you got the straps. Everything's probably overbuilt on this, just like the gray zipper. Oh, check that out. So we'll go through that in a second. So in here there's a zippered pouch. There's Velcro up on top. I know what's going there. And I don't know if you can see in there, there's another separator. Get a shot of that, the Velcro. So top handle, so you've got somewhere to lock your hand when you pull, and that waterproof zipper. No any air coming out of that. Pretty cool. Side carry handles. Let's see what's in here. Now this is what's neat. If you backpack a lot, you appreciate these. What this does, take these, you'll slip them inside here, and this helps keep that backpack straps where you want it to be if you're carrying anything heavy. So there's that, and then here's the waist belt that goes on it as well, which is really cool. What else in the bag? We got the registration form. Wow, check out this fold out. What is it? All the products. Yep, so you got that, all the products, and then the owner's manual. So with the pro tips, just like we talked about, with the extra straps, and there's some dimensions. Cool. Oh, and don't forget, there's a zipper, lubricant. And of course, it wouldn't be a Yeti without a couple of stickers. Pretty awesome. Man, I can't tell my wife and daughters thank you enough for this one. This is going to be cool. So what I plan on doing is I'll put together probably a couple more videos showing what I'm going to carry in it, camera gear, drones, dry gear, those kind of things. All right, thanks so much for watching. Do me a favor, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, but more importantly, subscribe and click the bell so you'll get notified when those new videos go live.